Yo, my guys, hope everyone's having a good day today. Today's Wednesday, Splunge Wednesday, and it's basically day 4 of the documentary series. So, yeah, today's another basic day. All I'm doing today is I just woke up. I'm about to trade. I just hopped out of the cold shower and just go from there, basically. So, hope you guys enjoy. I'll put you guys on some sauce. And yeah, make sure to join the free community. The link will be in the description. There's just free value in there. So, hope you guys enjoy. Have a lovely day. And I'll see you guys probably while I'm trading or trade recap. What's good, gents? We just finished up trading. Now I'm heading to school. Today I took a little W trade, so when I get back from school, I'll do a trade recap with you guys. So most likely I'll see you guys when I come home from school. Other than that, I'll just be doing random stuff at school probably. So hope you guys are enjoying. What's up, guys? So it's around 4:20 right now. I just got home and I'm about to do the trade recap. So I'm gonna journal it up and basically just show you guys why I entered and all of that. And we're eating my rice cake because I'm fat. Gosh, I'm like obese right now, bro. But yeah, I'm gonna sauce it up, do some trade recap, and yeah. All right, here's a trade recap. So basically, this rectangle right here was a bullish fair value gap on the 5-minute chart. So we inverse that. And once that happens, that gives me signs that we're basically, sorry, my cough. We're most likely going to have a draw of liquidity on the shortest time frame somewhere else. And so I didn't really care that much about it because it was like 9:40 when all that happened. But once we had a retrace to that fair value gap and had a pretty good displacement down, not a huge displacement, but a nice move down, that's when I'm like, okay, it's probably going to be bearish for a bit because of the inverse and displacement down. So once we got to this fair value gap right here on the 1 minute, I saw some good rejection. So I entered right there. And for take profits, I just looked at the market structure. This low right here looks pretty probable of hitting. Obviously went way lower, but this is where I thought it was probable of going. I didn't think it would go all the way farther, but it happened, so it's okay. But this was basically the plan going into the trade. So right here we entered. Once we hit this little low right here, I put stop loss at break even, so minimizing my risk. That's what I always do. I have a plan before the trade. So I knew once it hit this, stop loss at break even, no risk trade. I'm chilling. So that's pretty much the trade. It ended up hitting the full take profit. So yeah, that's pretty much the trade. If you have any questions, make sure to comment them or DM me on Instagram. If you DM me on Instagram, DM me on this one right here. 1 second. Let me pull it up. Boom. DM me at CookingDGS if you have any questions or anything. Or just DM me in general if you want to say anything. So yeah, there's my foods. Yeah, I'm a banger cook. So yeah, that's a trade recap. Hope you guys took value. So that is a trade recap. And now I'm gonna basically just do some deep work on some stuff. Yeah, it's just a bunch of random tasks like content stuff for the Instagram, trading stuff, just random stuff. So that's pretty much what I'm gonna be doing for the next hour and 15. Then let's see what time it is. It's 4:46. So I should be done in an hour. Then chef up some dinner, then head off to church, then after that go to the gym. So that's pretty much the schedule for the next hour and a half, 2 hours. So yeah, I'll see you guys when I'm done with my deep work. I'll probably be working on it outside because I've been in school, so I want some outdoors. You feel me? So yeah, see you guys later. Yo, so I just got done with church. I'm about to go to the gym right now. Sorry, the quality seems weird right now. I don't know why it looks weird, but I'm about to hit the gym. Today's leg day, so it sucks, but it's whatever. So I'll let you guys know when I'm done. It's gonna be a painful day, but it's whatever. So yeah, I'll let you guys know when I'm done and just see what we're up to. Sorry guys, I forgot to record after that. This is the next day, but I basically went home and took a shower and passed out and went to bed. I was just extremely tired yesterday, so I just passed out. But if you enjoyed the video, I'm editing the video right now, so might as well just record this. So if you enjoyed the video, make sure to sub, join the free community, link in the description, and just hope you guys enjoyed it, took value, had some good entertainment. And yeah, hope you guys have a lovely day. Keep winning your days, and yeah, laters.